Alright, so don't be afraid of vectors. Vectors are just these guys here. They have a length and they point in a certain direction. There's a lot of useful things we can do with vectors, but right now we're just going to learn how to manipulate them. So when we say 2 times the vector u, that means we want our vector to go in the same direction as u, but we want it to be twice the length. So I'm just going to sketch it here. I could do a better sketch. It's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I should have stopped it right there. So this vector starting here, going there, is twice u. And I'll do another video where I do it with coordinates, but right now we're just sort of sketching. So twice u, same direction, twice the length, twice the magnitude, as they're going to call it later. When they have negative v, so that means it's going to be this vector v, but in the opposite direction. That's what that negative does. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this would be a lovely sketch of negative v. So same exact slope, same exact direction, just opposite way. So starting there, going there, that's negative v. Now when you have to add u plus v, I like to add start to finish. So I take u and then I scoot v up so that it starts at where u stops. So I'm going to put v here, right? So this length, this vector, it's kind of interesting getting used to vectors. You can kind of scoot them around where you please. So this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is v, and u plus v would be from start to finish. So I started here, and then I finished there. So u plus v is this vector there. So if I had a whole bunch of vectors that I was adding together, like this and this, maybe I went there, maybe I went there. So my final addition of all those vectors would be start to finish that guy there. Cool. And I'll do coordinate stuff with this later, and you can see it all works out. All right. So last guy, let's see if I can fit it on here without making a mess. If I want u minus v, I'm going to think of that as u plus negative v. So I'm going to take my negative v, which I've already done, and scoot it up so that it starts where u stops. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can see that that is negative v. Just scoot them on up. And so, so I have u plus v, or plus negative v, and so my final vector is from start to finish, so this is u minus v, this vector there. Alright, I crammed a lot on one graph, and I'm going to do another video now proving that these points work. Hopefully it's not too crammed for you.